Hello, I'm going to be answering WASSCE 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 23 under Test of Orals Section 2. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D, choose the words that has the same consonant sound or sounds as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. Now the word we have there is thatch, and you have CH as the letters underlined. So option A is path, B technical, C shin, D challenge. So first I'll transcribe thatch and then the other options so we can pick out our answer. So thatch is transcribed this way. We have the consonant sound and then thatch. Then you have the consonant sh sound, so thatch. Then option A, you have path. So path is transcribed this way. You have this path, long R sound, and then consonant sound. You have B, option B, technical. So technical is transcribed this way. So you have technical. Option C is shin, and shin is transcribed simply this way. You have sh sound and then shin. And then option D is challenge, and it is written this way: challenge. Challenge. This is J, consonant sound. So challenge. Now ch, consonant sound represented by CH here, is found in challenge. So you have ch right here and you have ch also in challenge. Therefore option D, challenge, is the correct answer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more past questions and answers, and also for more videos. Thank you.